Hey everyone, welcome back to our PHP tutorial series for beginners. Today we are going to learn the two essential commands in a PHP, that is echo and the print. If you are new to PHP, this is going to be super important because these are among the first things you will use when you start coding. First, we will see what is the echo. Echo is used to output data to the screen and it does not returns a value. It is faster than the print. Also, echo can take the multiple parameters. So let's see the one example of echo. For that, go to the Visual Studio Code and we will write the echo statement, and in that we will print the hello world message. Here you can see we are using echo command to print the output on the screen. So when you run this code, it will display the hello world. So for that, go to browser and run that file. So make sure your XAMPP server is running, and my file is present in my projects. Its name is index.php, so I don't need to add the index.php here. Here you can see in the output we are getting the hello world and it is printed using the echo statement. Next we will check the example of echo using the multiple parameters. So I will change the comments to echo with multiple parameters. Now I will change this statement like this: hello, comma, this is, again comma, and PHP. In this example, you can see I have added the multiple parameters using this comma, and we will check the output what it will return. For that, go to browser and again refresh the page. So here you can see we are getting the message, hello, this is PHP, but in our example we have passed this as a multiple parameters. Echo lets you combine string with commas. This can helpful for the quick outputs. Next we will check what is the print. So the print is another way to display data on the screen. Unlike echo, it always returns a value of 1. Print is slightly slower than echo and print accepts only one arguments. Let's look at an example using the print. For now I will comment this line, and on the next line I will add the print, and we will add one message, hello world with print. Save this file. When you run this file, you will get the output as hello world with print, and again refresh this page. So here we are getting the output as hello world with print. I will show you this example with the print by adding the multiple parameters. Add the print here, and now I will try to run this file and we will check print with the multiple parameters. So here you can see it is showing the error message like syntax error, unexpected token, this comma, because print does not accept the multiple parameters. As I earlier mentioned that print always returns the 1, so it can be used in an expression. Now we will check that example of print using the expression. I will comment this line. So first I will echo one string, echo, using echo. Now I will write one expression with the print using print, and again I will write some message here. This works because print returns 1, and I will add br here for the new line. Save this file and let's check the output. Here you can see first line is printed using the echo statement, second is using the print, and this print statement always returns the 1, That's why the part which we have written in the if statement is displayed in output. Now if I write not, so this condition will false, and in that case it will return the output like using echo and using the print. And refresh this page. Here we can see we are getting the using echo and the using print, because we have added this not in the condition. If you want to see how print returns the 1 in the output, for that first we will comment this line and we will directly echo this line with the print. Save and refresh the page. So in the output you can see this message is printed as it is from this print statement, and this print statement always returns the 1, so that we can see here as a 1, because in our code we have not added any 1 in this message. Next we will see some key differences between echo and print. Echo does not returns a value, but print returns 1, as we have already seen in the last example. Echo is faster than print. Echo can take multiple parameters, but print cannot take the multiple parameters. That also we have seen. Print can be used in an expression. That also we have seen how we can use the print in the if statement, and we can't use the echo in the expression. So which one should you use? For most cases echo is better choice due to its simplicity and speed, but if you ever need a return value, print has got you covered. And that's it from this tutorial. We have seen what is echo and the print in PHP and what is the difference between them. You can practice using both and you will quickly see how easy it is to display output in your PHP scripts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more beginners friendly PHP tutorials. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.